Are you in the process of remodeling your property and don't know where to start? If that's the case, this video is for you. My name is Alex Lopez, a local real estate broker here in California, and I'm going to share 5 tips that made a difference for me and my wife to finish our own projects. Number 1, interview multiple contractors. And why do you do that? You want to make sure that you have the opportunity to compare costs, the opportunity to compare services, the opportunity to compare proposals, and most importantly, the opportunity to see work ethic. You want to see how they conduct businesses with simple steps as, are they showing up on time for the appointment? Are they replying to your emails? Are they calling you back? Basically, being responsive. And that's a simple step that's going to give you a sign if the contractor that you have in mind is a good fit for the job or not. Number 2, check their licenses. If you already have a candidate, before you meet them, check their licenses, as if they say they are a general contractor, you gotta make sure that they have a general contractor license. On the construction business, there's a lot of contractors that are operating without the proper licenses. And if they are not being transparent from the get-go as far as the licenses status, that might be a red flag for if they are going to be a good fit for the job or not. Number 3, make sure everything is in writing. Make sure you get the proper contract where it includes the scope of duty in detail, where they have schedule of payments, and most importantly, a schedule for completion. So this way, you avoid delays, you avoid miscalculations, and you avoid any unforeseen situations that might occur during your project. Number 4, workers' compensation. If you have a contractor or a company doing work at your property, you gotta make sure that they have workers' compensation insurance. Why? Because in the event that there's an accident, someone gets injured at your property, you're not liable for it. So remember, whenever you hire a contractor, you always ask them to show that the workers' compensation insurance is active, especially when they have employees. Number 5, approved plans and job cards. You always keep these documents at the job site because it's crucial to have those proper documentation, especially when you have the city inspection, because city inspectors, they come and go, and sometimes they just cancel the inspection just because you didn't have the approved plans. Sometimes they don't accept copies, they want the certified plans. So you always keep those documents at the job site. And also, if for whatever reason you decide to end up your relationship with your contractor, you don't have to be chasing those documents, because some contractors tend to keep those documents at their car or their bag when those documents are supposed to be stay at the job site. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, make a comment if you have a question, and as a realtor of 16 years serving California, if you have any questions in regards of buying or selling a property, give me a call.